Whoa, whoa, whoa. Why yo? Welcome Chronixx the war. Why yo? Welcome Chronixx the deliverer, the deliverer, boy, deliverer, boy. Me say we lose faith in the preacher. The youth them need a teacher because Papa in my ball send no money in a wallet. Mama she a ball on gripping pan her forehead. Cousin in my cry say him and poverty married. Him no eat no food from last week. Love the little pitney them a ball. Santa never bring a barrel. Never bring the present and him never bring the sorrow. The three stooges were in a parliament a quarrel. Tell them say na CI issue a warning say the cup them full and run over. When the cup them full and run over, a judgment. For you miss a man in your Benz and your Rover. Whoa. The cup them full and run over. When the cup them full and run over, a judgment. For you miss a man in your Benz. Come to the youth them on the side mixing concrete and mortar. Can't afford the light and them still thief in water. Mama she a cry, can't see school fee for data. But she find the offering fi give thief in pasta. Elam powder, lightning and thunder. When the youth them fed up and frost. Babylon fall like lumber, get gas asunder. When the lightning set up and flash. When the cup them full and run over. When the cup them full and run over, a judgment. For you miss a man in your Benz and your Rover. When the cup them full and run over. When the cup them full and run over, a judgment. Yes I Babylon ask Chronixx, how what do you temper? None of them can angle the judgment. Me give them 100%. The fire where you burn from epicenter. The whole of Babylon me get turned over. Selassie him run boya. Them a fi give up when them still live up. Tell them the youth them cup full and it a run over. When the cup them full and run over. When the cup them full, live up a judgment. Yes sir.
Don't you fight us down. Don't you fight us down. Them now want to we sit on the throne. On the battlefield, I'm a rebel with a cause, never pass. Babylon a devil on the battlefield. I'm a rebel with a cause. Observe the laws of my heart. I am a liberal opposer, practitioner of yoga, position of the cobra, tradition of the shona. Cheers back my lineage to inner Ethiopia. Down in a Kemet, me build a pyramid of Joseph. Hieroglyphics, them I call that Medonetta. When me see the sun arise in the sky, me call it Kepa. I praise of the leper, with praises Antonetta. Them come here with them cross, but me said the ank is better, eh. We no want see no beretta rise up. We go take a life up, to sip the better life up, eh. None of no pressure, make sure exercise up. And be careful of the one we teach Jesus Christ up. On the battlefield, I'm a rebel with a cause, never pass. Babylon a devil on the battlefield. I'm a rebel with a cause. Observe the laws with no flaws, no Haile Selassie are the leader. They on the battlefield, yeah. Humble as a lamb, me just follow the procedure. Rastaman a healer, beast get trample on the heel, yeah. Me bust up every seal where them seal, yeah. Read a couple chapter, then me reflect up on the back of them. Focus on the acronym, open up my chakra them. Seated in the lotus, me a soak up all the oxygen. Kemetic yoga, me bring over from the continent. Africa, that's where we wanna be. We living in a poverty, cause of the economy. Capitalistic and the materiality. We no see reality, only periodically. On the battlefield, I'm a rebel with a cause, never pass. Babylon a devil on the battlefield. I'm a rebel with a cause. Observe the laws with no flaws. On the battlefield, I'm a rebel with a cause, never pass. Send me on a rebel on the battlefield. I'm a rebel with a cause. Observe the laws with no flaws. I am a liberal opposer, practitioner of yoga, position of the cobra, tradition of the show. Now chase back my lineage to inner Ethiopia. Down in a Kemet, me build a pyramid of Joseph. Hieroglyphics, me call that Medonetta. When me see the sun arise in the sky, me call it Kepa. I peace and cure the leper, with praises Antonetta. Them come here with them cross, but me say the ank is better. On the battlefield, I'm a rebel with a cause, never pass. Babylon a devil on the battlefield. I'm a rebel with a cause. Observe the laws of my heart. Haile Selassie are the leader. They on the battlefield. Humble as a lamb, me just want them take your place.
I've dreamt of this day, yet it seems so far away. And now you're here, and I'm so very grateful, my God. heart's full, and it's like amazing grace. I really love to see your face, and no one could ever take your space. My love, every day is getting stronger, living much longer. Rastaman will never leave you. You satisfy my ego. Go on, you're my child. Then I've got to commend you on your style, especially your smile. Then I'm blessed with the touch and rich with oil, and I make it worth your while. Every day we getting stronger, and we're living much longer. Rastaman will never leave you. Girl, you satisfy my ego. All my life, I've been searching for the perfect wife, my guiding star. Here you are, and here I am. Together we'll grow, together we'll stand. My future resides in your eyes, so let us correspond. Baby, take my hand. This is blessed by Jah, authorized by the only one of creation, and it is as sweet as sugar and salvation. We will be together, no segregation. You're the one I love, Every day is getting stronger, we're living much longer. Rastaman will never leave you, no. I'll never leave you. You satisfy my ego, baby. Love you so much. Well, I've dreamt of this day, yet it seems so far away. And now you're here.
Fire was burning and burning till I thought what she was holding on, and she didn't know how to tell him she was in love with a Rasta man. Fire was burning and burning till I thought what she was holding on.
Know her story before she said Daddy just wants her corporate. Find somebody that's corporate, suit and tie more appropriate. Him say him now make him daughter stray, but reggae music she start to play. I tell food when she start her plate. Militant youth where she want to date, and that is what she need. Marcus Garvey she start to read. Here stop home and it start look neat. So we want keep her off the street from who she with, and that be me. More than a naughty head is what she see. No love or sleep is not for me, and she no want keep it a secret, but she can't tell him who she sleep with.
She didn't know how to tell him she was in love with a Rasta man. Fire was burning and burning till let out what she was holding in.
And she wants to be free from all this captivity, so she'll be who she will be. They can't tell her who she need, they can't tell her who she want, who she can't. She talk her own a chant, chart her own a part, and color her own a art. Call me over her own apartment. Now as I answer the phone, that's the tone she start with. She knows that she don't be part with one like I, even though so much impart it. But she happy do her own a thing, cause she can never live life for them, knowing that she will look back when to the time when she couldn't explain to him as them.
And she didn't know how to tell him she was in love with a Rasta man. Fire was burning and burning till I thought what she was holding in. And she didn't know how to tell him she was in love with a Rasta man. Fire was burning and burning.
Yes, I met a girl this morning. She was love at first sight. Ooh, I met a girl this morning, and she was beauty to my eyes. I asked her where she from, she tell me in the tropics. She asked me what's my name, I tell her I am Chronixx. And I said, girl, tell me what's your name, and she tell me that her name is Jamaica. And I said, smile, girl, smile. Smile for me, Jamaica. And I said, smile, girl, smile. Ooh, Lord, smile for me, Jamaica. And never you cry, here am I. Yeah, I'm here for you, Jamaica. Dry your eyes, girl, smile. Smile for me, Jamaica. Lord, hey, she have a rich history. A beautiful woman with the sweetest gifts. Beautiful sunrise and an evening kiss of a nice sunset on the evening season. But she tell me, say she tired. Tired of the exploit and the liars. She give them reggae, give them beaches, give them flowers and the ferns. All she got is abuse in return. But I say, don't you worry yourself, mama. Hey, Chronixx is here to your help, mama. Ooh, I said, no worry yourself, mommy. One thing me I beg you do for me. And I say smile, girl, smile. Smile for me, Jamaica. And I said smile, girl, smile. Hey, smile for me, Jamaica. Never you cry, here am I. Girl, I'm here for you, Jamaica. What must I try? Oh my, that she asks me. And this how when me say, a sweet, sweet Chronixx, you fi give them. The one drop beat pan a rhythm. And you give them bob with a different step in. And you give them bolt, nobody can run left him. Boy, but see ya, them must see things say you're out of ideas. You give them art and sweet literature. You gonna make the world see the better picture. I said no worry yourself, mama. Chronixx is here to your help, mama. Hey, I said no worry yourself, mommy. One thing we I beg you do. And I said smile, yeah, smile, boy. Smile for me, Jamaica. And I said smile, girl, smile, wa 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 wa. For me, Jamaica. Never you cry, here am I, whoa. For me, Jamaica. And I said smile, boy.
Will you believe me when I say affairs of the heart, together we've grown, if ever apart. All I want you to know is your love is life-changing, and I couldn't be the same without you, darling. Your love is life-saving. You always catch me when I fall. When the tour bus drop off and all light lock off, and I'm a mere mortal again. Promoter belly full and all the fans gone home. I'm glad that you're more than a friend. When your love is life-changing, and I couldn't be the same without you, darling. Your love is life-saving. You always catch me when I fall. There's people just like you and me, we pass them in the traffic that never fall in love, and some me have it, said me lucky. Enough of them not fortunate enough to have somebody. Some just cannot see beyond the flesh, and it's so funny. Never get too caught up in yourself to feel the magic. True love come and pass you by in life, it is so tragic. Opportunity is good, so take it while you have it. No wait till you are panic. Well, the last man you there would make a big mistake. Left and gone for good and miss out something we're great. Loyal and full of it when enough of them a move fake. Our things separate, we can't separate, cause I would miss you, baby. And I can't do without you, darling. Yes, and I would miss you, baby. Girl, you know I love you bad. Affairs of the heart, together we've grown. Things fall apart. All I want you to know, woman, your love is life-changing, and I wouldn't be the same without you, darling. Your love is life-saving. You always catch me when I fall.
Kabaka pyramid, you know. I wanna let you know what's the deal. You're dwelling on my iris. Hey, I never seen a love like this, no. I'll be waiting for you. You make me happy right this year. I'm just a soul on a journey. Need to find someone to help me know where my work is. Relationships full of ups and downs, but if you're patient, baby girl, me know say it worth it. Shed a tear, here's my kerchief. And if you don't see me crying about a feel, say me hurtless. Obstacles we hurdle it. And if you lock your door, I got the tools, I'm a wordsmith. Yeah, I've been waiting for you, girl. Meditating for you, girl. To find my place in this earth. Till then I'm sublimating this urge. No. I've been waiting for you, girl. Meditating for you, girl. And I'll be walking alone until I see you walk in my zone. No. Me know say me not perfect. And me I go say some things will make you perplex. Them say me egotistic, but now them have me ego twisted. Through them only pre the surface. When me look on the book, them where you purchase. Me see say knowledge of self kinda urgent. Your hand clean, it no need no detergent. Garden of Eden, you never get misled by the serpent. I've been waiting for you, girl. Meditating for you, girl. To find my place in this earth. Till then I'm sublimating this urge. No. I'll be waiting for you, girl. Meditating for you, girl. And I'll be walking alone until I see you walk in my zone. No. And until that day that you come my way, I'll be patiently holding firm, yeah. So many gone astray. With me they wanna play. Put up a sign where say don't disturb me. You are the one for me, to keep my company, to stand beside when the table's turning. This ain't no fantasy, it's you I plan to see, over land and sea. No. I've been waiting for you, girl. Meditating for you, girl. To find my place in this earth. Till then I'm sublimating this urge. I've been waiting for you, girl. Meditating for you, girl. And I'll be walking alone until you walk in my zone. I'm just a soul on a journey. Need to find someone to help me know where my work is. And astrologically know when my birth is. Ruben born, so she know me as a person. It's so hard to find a woman that know when to draw the line and read between them. When to choose the veggies and when to steam them. When to do the yoga and tai chi, then now, hey. I've been waiting for you, girl. Meditating for you, girl. To find my place in this earth. Till then I'm sublimating this urge, yeah. I've been waiting for you, girl. Meditating for you, girl. And I'll be walking alone. And I'll be walking alone. It's a lonely trot, you know. Until you find that one to create the perfect balance. With I and I, you know. So that makes sense to run down love, you know what I mean?
Let me tell you what you got to do.
Yeah.
Mothers of this earth, and you got to be true to yourself.
Sweet mama.
Mothers of this earth, and you got to be true to yourself.
Sweet mama.
Couldn't believe it when I heard some me I feel rebel. When I have sex for wireless and Digicel, Michelle, stop going like a Jezebel. Man, you catch disease, we mash up your blood cell. Well, truth me can't hide me happy tell. Respect the woman, them will respect themselves. Now about fi fame and them now about fi wealth. Eat good food and watch your health. Yeah, cause that's the hotness, that's the blazing fire. And your blackness, nobody bleach it higher. And your property no sell, nor release it higher. And no make no man come down, nor freeze it higher. That's the hotness, independence it require. And no make no funny move to get your heart desire. Cause no man know, no woman will burn out like tire. Keep yourself natural, yeah, higher. Yeah, independent for now, independent forever. Now depend on Peter and Trevor. Throw your hands in the air from your never. Bow down and freak out, yet for whosoever. Your life is like a treasure, the height you cannot measure. You're smart and you're clever, and you're not gonna mingle up and not the foolish endeavor. That's the hotness, that's the blazing fire. And your blackness, nobody bleach it higher. And your property no sell, nor lease it higher. And no make no man come down, nor freeze it higher. That's the hotness, independence it require. And no make no funny move to get your heart desire. Cause no man no woman will burn out like tire. Keep yourself natural, yeah, higher. Yeah, mothers of this earth, hey, you gotta be true to yourself. Be true to yourself.
Sweet mama.
Mothers of this earth, hey, you gotta be true to yourself.
Sweet mama.
Okay, now run around like can't move glutton. I know every man you feel me come press your button. I know every man you feel me jumping and you suck me, yeah. You man, be independent, yeah. Yeah, man. Be sufficient, yeah. Be benevolent. This is me argument, yo. This a hotness that had the blazing fire and your blackness. No bother bleaching higher and your property no sell nor lease it higher. And no make no man come down nor freeze it higher. This a hotness, independence to the choir. And no make no funny movie get your own desire. And no man no want no woman we burn out like tire. Keep yourself natural, you're higher. Mothers of this earth, you gotta be true to yourself. Sweet mama. Mothers of this earth, you are the best that I have ever come across. Hey baby, let's move on and just forget the past. And on and on and on and on, we want to say, hey, you are the only one who makes me feel this way. Bright eyes, need you, mama, God. Bright eyes, don't you stay so high. The memories in the rain. Sorry for causing you so much pain. Don't you go, girl, please remain in my life. Bright eyes, Rasta want you by his side. Bright eyes, what make you a stay so high? Bright eyes, need you by my side. Bright eyes. But what you know? Criticism, propaganda. We are right and them waffles so we go under. Moving on and left them up under. Girl, I love you so, and you don't have to wonder. I watch our business while be them one of them. With you by my side, I know I must prevail, yeah. I am your man, you'll always be my female. Born in a slip and I've been memories in the rain. Sorry for causing you so much pain. Please don't go, girl, please remain. Bright eyes, I need you by my side. Bright eyes, what make you a stay so wide? Bright eyes,
that I did in the past, so regrettable. I'm still loving you, even though you're gone. You're still on my mind. I do care for you. If you need me, you can call. I'll be there in the blink of an eye. I don't know where we went wrong. All I know, I love you so much now.
turning the gray skies blue. Oh, yeah. But sometimes the skies come tumbling down on you. But of this one thing I'm sure, Jaja never give I more than what I can bear. Sometimes the road get dark and it feels like no one cares. Friends and family, they are gone, but I will overcome, cause I am a champion, my brother. I'm a champion, my friend. Mama, dry your tears and move your hand from your head. Never wear a frown because Jaja no dead. Trust in every word where Selassie say. Leaning on Marcus philosophy. Cause sometimes the skies come tumbling down on you. But of this one thing I'm sure, Jaja never give I more than what I can bear. Sometimes the road get dark and it feels like no one cares. Friends and family, they are gone, but I will overcome, cause I am a champion, my brother. I am a champion, my friend. So all when you're hungry and edge eye teeth, I stand up on my own 2 feet. Me nah make no trouble, come and get rid of me. I fight it like a champion, Muhammad Ali. But that no mean I'm a go do no folly. Rasta man and a Satan little puppet dolly. Push on pon the straight and narrow like a chally. Her goodness and mercy a follow back on me. Jaja never give I more than what I can give I. Sometimes the road gets dark. Friends and family, they are gone, but I will overcome. I am a champion, champion, my friend. Jaja never give I. To all my people out there, put no trouble on my back. No, no worry about that. Jaja rise me out of my bed. I mean, go if and go wash my dread. Me alright, alright. I'm a Jaja sunrise, wake me up this morning, and I can hear Mama Africa calling. Alright, alright. I tell you me alright, yeah.
I got to give the most high praise. From me see the lid them on both eyes raised. Breathing the breath of life, so I pray to still I see I for watch over those like we. Yeah. Smile with the rising sun. The creation me never hiding from. No negativity up in a high kingdom. Mama Africa, your child so come.
I'm set to rise me out of my bed. I mean, go and go wash my dread. Me alright, alright.
No.
I'm set to sunrise, wake me up this morning, and I can hear Mama Africa calling. Alright, alright. I tell you me alright, yeah.
What a sweet summer day. Mother Earth, you I am free from a day. Me choose some carrot and meat and eat a jelly. Then dipping at the river, cause me feel figure big.
I wash off the crosses off of me. Sweet life King Selassie off of me. Never be ungrateful, no people go sleep and they never wake up. But Jaja rise me out of my bed. I mean, go and go wash my dread. Me alright, alright. I'm a Jaja sunrise, wake me up this morning, and I can hear Mama Africa calling. Alright, alright. I tell you me alright, yeah.
Breeze a blow and my vibes just a build. Anytime I see the sunlight I climb up the hill. Now I'm not work so what time for me chill. Some whole a meditation and trying to be still. Visions of Mama Africa I float by. Even though you're far I feel you're close by. The mysteries of life I seek to know why. Hailing the most
rise me out of my bed. I mean, go and go wash my dread. Me alright, alright. I'm a Jaja sunrise, wake me up this morning, and I can hear Mama Africa calling. Alright, alright. I tell you me alright, yeah. I say me alright. Kabaka pyramid, yeah. Chronixx, and if you know say I wake this morning,
this is how we go. Come make with that shit on the beast, ashes on the queen. Gas them and them click, drop the matches at them feet. Lightning flash up on them seat. Still a sip on the peaks, if we burn up the vampire and the fatigue and the lead. Me dash a fire on the beast, them run them over with the V10. Step in the face with me cleat them, chuck them off in the deep end. Like a the shark with the teeth, them fi eat them. Rhythm a kick and a beat, lyrics a bust it up in the street them. Me dash a fire on the pedophiles and rapists. The reason why them stray is them eat the tripe and crayfish. Look on the marriages, them legalize, I'm saying. The system needs to clean up right awakening. Come in with that shit on the beast, ashes on the queen. Gas them and them click, drop the matches at them feet. Lightning flash up on them seat. Still a sip on the peaks, if we burn up the vampire and the fatigue and the lead. That shit on the beast, ashes on the queen. Don't catch a fire when the Rasta man a speak. Too much separation and the gnashing of the teeth. Make them know Ethiopia me a fi reach. When me talk about the beast, yes me a talk about police. Them where you walk about the street like them a dog without no leash. And the beast are the companies we farm without no seed. And I breed the flipping chicken them we born without no beak. And the beast of the country them we colonize me continent. We modernize me uncle them and sodomize me auntie them. Me dash a fire upon the whole of them, waiting patiently until the reincarnate. Them flipping swell again, feed that shit on the beast, ashes on the queen. Gas them and them click, drop the matches at them feet. Lightning flash up on them seat. Still a sip on the peaks, if we burn up the vampire and the fatigue and the lead. That shit on the beast, ashes on the queen. Rome catch a fire when the Rasta man a speak. Too much separation and the gnashing of the teeth. Make them know Ethiopia me a be reach. Me dash a fire upon the beast them, run them over with the feet them. Step in the face with me cleat them, chuck them up in the deep end. They go the shark with the teeth them, fi eat them. Rhythm a kick and a beat, lyrics a bust it up in the street them. Me dash a fire upon the pedophiles and rapists. The reason why them stray is them eat the tripe and crayfish. Look on the marriages, them legalize, I'm saying. The system need to clean up right awaking. Come make with that shit on the beast, ashes on the queen. Gas them and them click, drop the matches at them feet. Lightning flash up on them seat. Still a sip on the peaks, if we burn up the vampire and the fatigue and the lead. That shit on the beast, ashes on the queen.
Lordy, Lordy, now join no party. Look what the politician them do to Claudy. Look what the politician them do to Jim. Him son resurrect it and look what them do to him. Cause they will use and dispose of you, those who are close to you. If you choose to tread the road, you know. So brother, if you are tonight, carry the scars of a coffee. I carry the fire of a bell chasey. Take when your mind get a chance, represent. Cause you might have no past, it present. So, not take them last, love your past, then resent to. Want make it fast, so them last every cent too. So we go back to the ancient ways, untold secrets that remained unchanged. Mentally get unchained. I want goal, I want aim, and the same what you're saying.
Got to stay true to the things you know are right. Nothing worth the gain you attain by sudden flight. Rather keep your goals in sight.
True.
Even in the darkest night. Have faith in the Father, the one who shines your light.
Mercy me, them corrupt and covetous sneaker from me. Yeah, they are me and one thing that you say. The intellect a play up on the poor poverty. Nobody now dance to a two-party. Oppression, brainwashing and nefarious schemes to keep the have-nots where they think they are to be. I man, your promises are better when the poll time close. Gonna back to the same after we not announce. Cracks down a river bottom, never announce us on that. So many of me brother them trapping at the blind. Black full of shot but no food in a pack. What kind of liberty diet? I Allah straight up, wake up, sons of Jacob. Lay down their arms, real tools if they take up. Stay up, wake up, sons of Jacob. Time to show the cowards what we made of.
Got to stay true to the things you know are right. Nothing worth the gain you attain by sudden flight. Sister, keep your goals in sight. Even in the darkest night, have faith in the God of the world.
What you do? Hey, hey, Kingston, beat warrior. Kingston, free up your mind. Kingston, just be warrior. Kingston, free up the eye. Yeah.
When the city I go click clack blow your bed. Government fingers and tic-tac toes in it. And while they're working on the X's and O's, I'm living eye and eye like a Mr. Kamosi. No surprise when they send Nothing is old, nothing is promised. Never know the government woulda run up in a them garrison. Without no sorry, without excuse. Soldier man in a them lorry, everybody gets abused. And everybody have them views now. The media is on, so know where you get your news from. And the blood up on them shoes now. When them walk in the trace, look them hard in them face and say, Kingston, be warrior. Kingston, free up your mind. Kingston, just be warrior for me. Kingston, free up the eye, yeah. Now all the damage can't quantify. Ray and couldn't sanctify. Say enough of them sent to die. So the city I intensify. Say the ghetto them a gentrify. Well nobody no identify. Nobody's unidentified and just a lie there. Then when the gun there, dead pan Saturday, buried Sunday. Like Solomon a gun there. Like a no sons of Solomon them have done there. Leonard Howell up pinnacle and them land there. Subdivision them deal it under hand there. So learn it cause them come back with them plan there. So tell me how far do you wanna go now? Hey, cause them we rat-a-tat-a-tat-a when you pop out, pow, wow, wow, wow. Kingston, be warrior. Kingston. Me now watch no face, beg no more pardon. Enough drugs, money they a cherry garden. Enough individual society applauding. You can ask anybody where them get them starting. But no politician take a donation. So no criminal will never see a station. Never see a cell, not even a courthouse. But every Sunday we see them take a boat out. North Coast Resort and car dealership. The construction company them just don't legit. Usually wash the money, turn it round and hide it. When they kick back them come in, the government delighted. So police cancel operation. Cause no real bad man a go station. Now if you check the situation, a blood money running nation. Come take a look in a Jamaica. Injustice in the place now. If what you see no really face then you are the problem what we face now. Was about to buy a next 60 now. Maybe then I never have to be a prisoner. Maybe then I coulda not turn in my firearm. Police couldn't come remand, come in like me run an army. Was about to be a politician too. Maybe then I coulda make any decision. Look, maybe then I make 100 million disappear. Then me act like me no care what you bought me back in there. Because this sad reality. In a Jamaica say your status or your salary. Man, the road a carry one whole heap of felony. But them have a family, a boost up the economy. So, police cancel operation. Cause no real bad man a go station. Now if you check the situation, a blood money running nation. Come take a look in a Jamaica. Injustice in the place now. If what you see no really face you, then you are the it's out of many, but a one set of people feeling it. How that real society you agree to this. Things are revealed, the garbage, the machine spit. No smoke screen, a river and no conceal it. Now the system failing, the gap a get wider. A matter of time before a total divide ya. You cross the line, man, draw quick to remind you. If you build it on crime, then crime will have to find you. And that's how it's been always. That not frustrate you like it do to me. How much dead baby they over Jubilee? How much youths did 10 when them running at Tivoli? Now them 16 hard fry head fricassee. So, police cancel operation. Cause no real bad man a go station. Hey, now if you check the situation, a blood money running nation. Hey, come take a look in a Jamaica. Injustice in the place now. If what you see no really face you, then you are the problem what we face to.
Where you gonna run out at the Gideon Star? When all the money that they rob from ghetto youths ain't enough to fly you to Mars. When the system you defend start break down like a Lego. When the whole world becomes a ghetto, that's when you realize the whole of we are ghetto people. Ghetto people. So tell me some boss is slave, don't forget the people. Forget the people. Call them all. Remember Haile Selassie never left the people. No time at all, not even an inch. Oh no. Hey, give me a phone, a demaka ital no grabber. Make me cool and start up on every rhythm proper. Every you tap shut up at the zigzagger. Make me show you what a clock a strike in a jam rock ya. Politician them a chat a tongue sharp like maca. Them not no vision, them a scammer. We a wave the banner. What kind of honor? Uno not treat the youth with honor. Let me show no a vibes. Not true you're living uptown. When the banks fall down, then the whole of we a get a youth. And me poor, you rich, but when the pool shift, then the whole of we a get a youth. And me black, you white, but when famine strike, then the whole of we a get a youth. On that day when you trade your Rolls Royce for a grain of rice, that's when you realize that the whole of we a get up people. Get up people. So tell me stop boss is slave, don't forget the people. Get the people. Get the people. Remember Haile Selassie never left the people. The people. Oh no. Oh yeah, this one. I miss an old slave driver. Time is catching up on you. Old slave driver. I know your sins them are on. So carry we go home. I bring the brown a east. Well, come on a Rasta man. A Rasta no live on no Catalan. Oh you mean? Carry we go home. Oh you mean? As if we settle and cease. Well, come on a Rasta man. A Rasta no live on no Catalan. Well, Lord America a capital and the whole of Jamaica a capital and a long time them want trick the Rasta man. Like them no know say that man a real African. You think me no member King Ferdinand and thief in Columbus have a gold in the plan. Them make a wrong turn and end up in Caribbean. One Ras then a side kill enough Indian. Turn paradise in a plantation and bring cross one ship load the African. Now here comes the thief in Queen from England. Now she Cromwell and Henry Maga. Sent it on top a century full of separation. And after 400 years me send a reparation. I know them want to kill me with the taxation. But I beg you please take me to the motherland. I beg you carry me go home. I bring me brown a east. Well, come on a Rasta man. A Rasta no live on no Catalan. Coulda never carry me go home. I said we settle and cease. Come on a Rasta man. A Rasta no live on no Catalan. Watch them pan it up at the hill and looking at them play how we properly feel. Because downtown have shot off the kill. Them tell the tourists if we stop on the grill. So come make we start a new chapter. We not escape on the land where them capture. And me say Africa fi all to Rasta. I so go tell the and screw plus factor. Say we carry we go home. I bring we brown a east well. Come on a Rasta man. A Rasta no live on no Catalan. Go tell them that and carry we go home. As if we settle and peace way. Yeah, man a Rasta man. I'm in a live on no Catalan. Live on no Catalan. Follow me now. That's every garden a Catalan. Me tell you short to say that a Catalan.
I beg you listen to the words when me sing. Me tell you about this movement. They call it the revival. We all got a part to play. In this your movement, no we no rivalry. Mission is all the same. In this your movement, it's more than music, much more than them tours and jewelry. In this your movement, just listen when me talk. A Babylon a bricks in the dark. Tell you now, watch them have them eyes on us, spreading propaganda, telling lies on us. Them woulda do anything for see we fight and cuss. Media want to see we hype enough. Them must never know Selassie I man trust. I love and no money that's where I man lost. So while some artists are stack up them riches, in the community the youths are build bridges. In this young movement, they call it the revival. We all got a part to play. In this young movement,
No, we no rivalry. Mission is all the same. In this young movement, it's more than music, much more than them tours and jewelry. In this young movement, just listen when me talk. A Babylon and bricks in the dark. Yeah, them see we as artists, but stop no look. When the youths up on the farm and we a chop out bush. And the younger generation we need to secure, so we link I nation to pass out books. This is the revival of nature's harmony, the consciousness of creation call upon we. So unity that we only choice, and King Selassie we only voice. In this movement, they call it the revival. We all got a part to play. In this movement, no we no rivalry. Mission is all the same. In this movement, it's more than music, much more than them tours and jewelry. In this movement, just listen when me talk. A Babylon a Prips, Babylon a Prips. Hey, this is a lesson from the valley of the kings. A page from the pyramid, text me a go bring. Unity alone can stop the suffering. So beg you listen to the words when me sing. Come again. This is a lesson from the valley of the kings. A page from the pyramid, text me a go bring. Oneness alone stop the suffering. Beg you listen to the words when me sing. Me tell you about this moment. They call it the revival. We all got a part to play. In this movement, no we no rivalry. Mission is all the same. In this movement, it's more than music, much more than them tours and jewelry. In this movement, just listen when me talk. A Babylon and bricks in the dark.
No evidence. No direct. Tell them me cut you full of herbs and me nut you full of food. You want to stop me? Behave yourself and don't be rude. I'm heading to the top without taking no interlude. Why is the red in your eye? Like you want it tune. Jah bless me so I'm rolling in the legs and the prelude. And some boys vex and want fit in the tune. I don't like your sound. What's up with the mood? You're moving extremely crude and you're too jealous. But mine and envy, you're too jealous. You are we flipping belly empty. Yeah, you're too jealous. But mine and envy, you're too jealous. Big up on my hustle off my struggle lads. You must triumph. The gunslingers, the idol lads. Them we go down. Work we achieve and not an one thing. Them man a do. Police can't kick up and come. Can't order me around and tell me how I fit up. You give me a gun and tell me about Mr. Thing fi get boom. Me nah rape no girl no matter how fat it look come. I am not a bastard nor a scum. You're too jealous. But mine and envy. You're too jealous. And we're flipping belly empty. You're too jealous. But mine and envy. You're too jealous. That's right. I'll always put up a fight. See the hypocrites, them a galambe. Also the Palestine. Informers and spies. I don't trust none of those guys. Rise, Rasta, rise, and open up our eyes. Them too jealous, but mine and envy, they are jealous. Them all we flipping belly empty, but them too jealous, but mine and envy, jealous. I just try. Let the politicians stop steering the people wrong. Give them a helping hand and take them out of devastation. I man say stop steering the people wrong. Give them a helping hand and take them out of frustration. White squall bite like termite in my agony. What a pain, oh what a agony. We go through this Gideon Babylon, you have been win. We face the pressure, no security. Them always unsure, no surety. Them no know about no cleanness, no purity. No equal rights, no morality. Them brain unstable, them can't hold a solidarity. Question, who gets the charity? I know the mass, now the majority. Politician, no bother we. When election time come, stop steering the people wrong. Give them a helping hand. Take them out of devastation. Man, go root
Promises is a comfort to a fool, and get up people and a fool. You can't come ride them like mule. Get up, don't sit down for no stool. Round ya and tell we a bag of bullshit. We not attend at the school. Turn it terrible. Tell them this a fire can't go. No blood will not shed anymore, cause I have not take them soon. They stop, steering the people on. Give them a helping hand. Take them out of confusion. I have tried to stop, steering the people on. Give them a helping hand. Take them out of devastation. In the ghetto, I when me born and grow. Fully experienced, so enough me know. I when me know Babylon a real drunk road. Them are the biggest general and the speed they too slow. We need a Rasta government, a Rasta president, Rasta party in the resident. And the barbers will be out of work. Cause you hear by your tent and we know that from birth. Stop steering your people on. Give them a helping hand. Check them out at devastation. Pinky say stop. Steering your people on. To obtain respect, you've got to be fair. Live by the gun, die by the gun. Still some are prepared. As a Rasta man up in my chair, they're not taken seriously cause some are scared. We say the Almighty is Rastafari. They say there's a God in the sky. We say everlasting life, and they say live and die. When we say love is the only way to go. Love is the way. Patrolling, searching for blood. Try to kill the innocent and then them call themselves a thug. Neglecting their conscience, them not no love them. Full up on maliciousness, them full of Protoje. 6 years of age, being raped and killed. Those psychopaths are out there still. And if I ever catch them, I'm on fire, that you will. Cause them mentally ill. Can I go tell them, sir? Love is the only way to go. Love is the stop acting so shallow. Need a better tomorrow. Wipe away the sorrow. Stop acting so shallow. Rastafari lives, protect them. Love is the only way to go. Love is the way. Love is the only way to go. Love is the way. Yeah. Some say to obtain no respect, you've got to be fair. Live with the gun, die by the gun.
Came to town. Him left country and never went back. Him come a down, come a lick peer shot. Carry the 16 over him back. 45, him never left the cat. Now must see him super cat did a chat. Side police on the wheel and clap. No left no trace, conceal all tracks. Him cousin give my old desert and tell himself to wear that car in a minute. Now you have to shift up like a gearbox, then give my Glock. Tell himself to lock it. Don't fear for knocking country, I hear sneer that. Without no warning, early in the morning, country and the eagle pitch down like a garland. And when him pass a black flag and drop all in. Anyway you see him, tell him me call him. Me no want all desert and diamond socks. Country boy say him not take no chat and him a real boy from Kingston. Real boy from Kingston. Run the place, not turning back. Fire him a burn it, I go burn him back. Boy, him a real rude boy from Kingston. Real rude boy. Country boy came to town. Country boy came to town. Woman, they a country, I work like mule. When you tell her, say you want go school. Promising the boy, so she never hesitate. Now you a come a town and want fan full. Why what you do with your ambition? Run come a town, want done go gunman with house and land of country. Listen to me keen. Police are come discipline the scheme. All your cousin will give you Glock for keep. Sergeant have something where whistling for game. Love your life, never throw it down the drain. If you see your cousin down the lane, tell him Chronixx had something to say. You know country boy, same not that, not that in my real favorite. Stop quarreling, Cleveland, Kingston. Run the place, not turning back. Fire in my bonnet, I go burning back. Boy, in my real boy, real boy, real boy, yeah, real boy. From me, he's out. And himself, Rastaman wheel out. I know you have it there. Rastaman wheel out. And come over here. I say, officer, he's out. Don't you have no fear. Officer, he's out and don't you judge me by my hair. I was yachting down the lane, and I buck up in a old blue sea. And he asked how my eyes so red. I say it's the good old Cali green. And him say Rastaman wheel out. I know you have it there. Rastaman wheel out. And him say come over here. And I say officer ease out. Don't you have no fear. Officer ease out and don't you judge me by my hair. See my ear up like a Taliban. Yes, and him swear say me got it, man. And him a search for a spliff, couldn't find it. Never know say me is a chalice, man. It's a recent thing and a Chronixx one. This is an ancient tradition. It is a gift to the wise and a long time them a steam in Afghanistan, India and Pakistan. Not to mention Africa. The best indeed in a West Indies, burning by the rivers of Babylon. Westmoreland, everybody swat. West in a brain pan a magic car. So Mr. Officer make we talk, yeah, because of the same one in a Chronixx party. And I don't know it gonna work it out with the rest of man like me. Say, I've been steaming from morning till my eyes got red. Can you hear me when I say, put your lighters in the air, lighters in the air. If you know your heart clean like a whistle, like a whistle, heart clean like a liquor whistle. Hey, me and my brother them good. Me never grudge Teflon. Family me deal with me bun, yes man. In a interview them ask enough question. Them want know where me born and where me come from. Tell them De La Vega same time. They saw me born right on the train line. 10.5 seconds a game time. And if a brother and a half, me say me we share mine with them. Share it like a good news. Call me love me family like a cook food. Late in the hours a night we cook food. Every plate of it full up of rice and good stew. Hey, let me see some lighter. From your nose say you feel alright. And me say love defeat all evil. That song you have to clean on people. Can you hear me when I say, put your lighters in the air, lighters in the air. If you know your heart clean like a whistle, like a whistle, heart clean like a liquor whistle. Yes, I. And we say, Jehovah evil, life over death. Demon can't kill me again. We say, good over evil, life over death. Satan can't kill me. Here comes the hot stepper. Fire burning hotter than paper. That song you written proper than later. Protected from the crown of my head, straight down to the very soul of the crepe, yeah. Me have a chat for them send gunshot poison care accident. Long time them a try lock off my oxygen, but you're in control, can't take me soul. Jah over evil, life over death. Demon can't kill me again. Me say, good over evil, life over death. Demon can't kill me, Them put poison in a liquor, try curse me. A good thing, me no drink, me no thirsty. From the day my mother birthed me, still I see I perch me, nobody can't hurt me. Them disguise Jezebel in the biggest way. Send her come to give me the biggest A. Chronixx left her in dismay. A long time them a try up until this day. Me say good over evil, life over death. Satan can't kill me again. Me say Jah over evil, life over death. Me say them can't kill me again. Can't kill me again. If you never kill me already.
If you promise, take me, I go bring. Unity alone can stop this suffering. So beg you listen to the words when me sing. Me tell you about this movement. They call it the revival. We all got a part to play. In this your movement, no we no rivalry. Mission is all the same. In this your movement, it's more than music, much more than them tours and jewelry. In this your movement, just listen when me talk. A Babylon a bricks in the dark. Tell you now, watch them have them eyes on us. Spreading propaganda, telling lies on us. Them woulda do anything for see we fight and cuss. Media want to see we hype enough. Them must never know Selassie I man trust. I love and money that way I man lost. So while some artists are stack up them riches, in the community the youths are build bridges. In this your movement, they call it the revival. We all got a part to play. In this your movement, no we no rivalry. Mission is all the same. In this your movement, it's more than music, much more than them tours and jewelry. In this your movement, just listen when me talk. A Babylon a bricks in the dark. Yeah them, see we as artists but stop no look. When the youths up on the farm and we a chop out bush. And the younger generation we need to secure. So we link I nation to pass out books. This is the revival of nature's harmony. The consciousness of creation call upon we. So unity that we only choice. And King Selassie we only price. In this movement, they call it the revival. We all got a part to play. In this movement, no we no rivalry. Mission is all the same. In this movement, it's more than music, much more than them tours and jewelry. In this movement, just listen when me talk. A Babylon a prips, Babylon a prips. Hey, this is a lesson from the valley of the kings. A page from the pyramid, text me a go bring. Unity alone can stop the suffering. So beg you listen to the words when me sing. Come again. This is a lesson from the valley of the kings. A page from the pyramid, text me a go bring. Oneness alone stop the suffering. Beg you listen to the words when me sing. Me tell you about this movement. They call it the revival. We all got a part to play. In this your movement, no we no rivalry. Mission is all the same. In this your movement, it's more than music, much more than them toys and jewelry. In this your movement, just listen when me talk. A Babylon a bricks in the dark. Whoa. And I say, in a life true friends not come often, but the chosen few me have to call them. My real brother them, been through the ups and downs. Hey, my real brother them, no matter what they stuck around. Hey, good friend better than pocket money. Enough see your eyes and them start act funny, yo. But my real brothers never change. Coulda saw me or coulda sunny. Watch out now, real friends don't change. Not at all, real friends don't change. All when life take a turn for the worse, and them alone show concern for you first. All when me and my family no close, and my friends them keep me composed. Watch I know, my real friend them no worry when my last fall. But if my run cross them, I must say them not stall. And when we link up it not different from the last part. Some of them I only see when something them I ask for. In this game of life, some man no pass ball. Them just a shift and cross over like a all-star. But my real brothers never change. Now switch gear line a fast car. No, real friends don't change. Not at all. Real friends don't change. All when life take a turn for the worse, and them alone show concern for you first. All when me and my family no close, and my friends them keep me composed. What I know, my real sister them always a show me love. Hey, my real sister them know when for push and shove. Hey,
Them say blood thicker than water, but all if we not share no mother nor father. But still I figure call you my sister, cause your nurturing always register. Real friends don't change. Real friends don't change. All when life take a turn for the worse, and them alone show concern for you first. All when me and my family are war, with my true friends me apart. Skibbly bang, my real brother them, my real brother them been through the ups and downs. Hey, my real brother them, my real brother them, no matter what they stuck around.
I've got love in my heart for you, telling you it's me and you. Yeah. Say what don't kill you, make you stronger. If you wanna make a move, girl, don't stand there. Look, I know you got your heart broke before, girl. Them the boy they and the naughty don't read the same book. Cause what don't kill you, make you stronger. If you wanna make a move, girl, don't stand there. Look, I need a lioness in a me jungle. So what you say to me? Yeah, yeah, girl, if you see what you want, please not be cease, we proceed, bring it come, girl. Any season you want, reach when you speak it, no reason, no concern. How it feel when I gone, turn when you sleep, it's so real, make you wonder. Say it discreet how you want, but me still a breathe and talk, and this I know. Say what don't kill you, make you stronger. If you wanna make a move, girl, don't stand there. Look, I know you got your heart broke before, girl. Them the boy they and the naughty don't read the same book. Cause what don't kill you, make you stronger. If you wanna make a move, girl, don't stand there. Look, I need a lioness in a me jungle. So what you say to me? Say with me, she no have a problem. Anytime when the gig drop, it prop up on them. And then you see me up and then I keep on the menu, so what's up in a me blender? She know me have it chop up and blend, putting it together, oh you stop it and then girl. And she a no second hand, so you know me have it consent. And this I know. Say what don't kill you, make you stronger. If you wanna make a move, girl, don't stand there. Look, I know you got your heart broke before, girl. Them the boy they and the naughty don't read the same book. Cause what don't kill you, make you stronger. If you wanna make a move, girl, don't stand there. Look, I need a lioness in a me jungle. So what you say to me? Tell me, girl, how it feel when you ride. Thief never love to see thief make a swipe. Misery, love keep company by its side. And them don't know the feeling, so them start criticize. Never have you in a doubt, never left you in a drought. If I diss me in, you never see me coming out. Now go see me looking out, carry you around a corner. That's not what I want, look at this I know. Say what don't kill you, make you stronger. If you wanna make a move, girl, don't stand there. Look, I know you got your heart broke before, girl. Them the boy they and the naughty don't read the same book. Cause what don't kill you, make you stronger. If you wanna make a move, girl, don't stand there. Look, I need a lioness in a me jungle. So what you say to me? Yeah, yeah, girl, if you see what you want, please not be cease to proceed. Bring it come, girl. Any season you want.
Run your fingers down my spine. Elevation. The medication makes me high.
Such a short way up and such a long way down. And this is a bubble like where they are right down. The way you're something off it off your way by pound. In a fields of marijuana, that is my playground. I love you, Mary Jane. You're the prettiest of flowers, girl, me can't complain. When I'm with you, I feel so high, I rise above the rain. And you know the people damage like that bitch cocaine. No, I leave them lonely, feeling only pain. Cause your DNA is of the highest strain. Your effect is so potent, it's so insane. You so got me and stick you like a plaster stain. When you grind out your body, only stems remain. And to love you is so risky, I might get detained. You always keep me flying on the highest plane. And anybody know will always proclaim.
Medication, your medication makes me high. Just the passion, I'm like a patient trying to find levitation. Run your fingers down my spine. Elevation, your medication makes me high.
Your leaves of green, your purples and blues, cured little kids and old women too. And I say to myself, what a wonderful herb. And I say to myself, what a wonderful herb. Look how Babylon stood up in. Them fight you for years, for your love only per man serve years. Babylon stood up in. Them fight you for years, and now the whole of them a wanna buy shares. You should be a celebrity amongst any tree across the 7 seas for your energy, but you're an enemy, catching felonies for the remedies in your recipes.
Your medication makes me high. Just the passion. I'm like a patient trying to find elevation. Run your fingers down my spine. Elevation. Your medication makes me high.
Master, oh, you feel splendid indeed. With a little bit of black splendid in the weed. Appearance grow indoors, not a stick nor seed. And she never post ripe, it was a real slow speed. No fertilizer, natural baby feed. No cross-pollination, she's a real pure breed. Cultivated with love and she's not grown for greed. She's everything I want and also all I need.
Medication. Your medication makes me high. Just the passion. I'm like a patient trying to find elevation. Run your fingers down my spine. Elevation. Your medication makes me high.
Light it up! It is us! I family! And it is I, Turbulence to future. Let's know that, man. Light it up! Me come for put you around, I just get the vote. Don't mix it, produce. Put you around, cause I just get the vote. And the children, them often know the truth. Boom. Put you around, cause I just get the vote. Children, them often know the truth. Put you around, cause I just get the vote. Cause of the earth, pan the cut them board. From you say marijuana. Here I am, Rastaman, I'm on the earth. From the bed of Solomon and Abraham. We no care about them, you say sense in me. Here I am, hey, the more charge them charge, the more Rasta on it. We no care about them. Listen. Load my cup, give me your puff, load the smoke in the sky. For your bun there, you are fair, so let's say I. Rastafari, improvise the earth, I and I. Change it, not change it. Me say don't rearrange it, don't give me no coke to smoke. Rastafari, keeping it natural. And man, I am them pork. You from you say marijuana. Here I am, Rastaman upon the earth from the bed of Solomon and Abraham. We no care about them, you say sense in me. Here I am, hey, the more charge them charge, the more Rasta on it. We no care about them. When me say, it keep me in a peace and harmony. I fi send a stack, down a Belgium and Germany. No matter what them say, me know the earth good for me. So me send it down a France and down a Italy, Jamaica, Grenada, Trinidad and Tobago. It a the cure for the ego. Canada, America, St. Kitts and Barbados. Babylon could never raid us. At the Alaska, load up the Chalwa. King Selassie are the nuts. No from you say marijuana. Here I am, Rastaman upon the earth from the days of Solomon and Abraham. We no fear no one, you say sense in me. Here I am, hey, the more charge them charge, the more Rastaman is like my brother man. Hey, what me say, yeah, you better comprehend this. Dirty Babylon can't come in this. Them can't find our friend this. All over the world me I go send this. From you say marijuana. Here I am, Rastaman upon the earth from the bed of Solomon and Abraham. We no care about them, you say sense in me. Here I am, the more charge them charge, the more Rastaman is. We no care about them, we no fear no man. I'm the fire on the clock. So that's the listen right. Yeah, you me. When the pagan them I say, here it comes.
Anyway, I see my way through the dark clouds. Cause I pray every day, his name I shout aloud. So I see my influence, so there's no doubt.
Hey, me have to come out, tell the pagan be angry.
I don't care, I'm still around. Tell the pagan I'm still here. So don't you try stop me, down to there.
Here comes the modern day spare. Be angry,
I don't care, I'm still around. I got this still the air.
Be angry, what is that? Be angry.
Watch the big bad wolf come out up and around. I'm not the tree, little baby, so you can't blow me down.
Alert,
when the junk grows around, yo, keeping the fight like President Brown. I used to suffer, no one sees you when you're down, but as soon as you're making it, friends by the pound. Enough of them a traitor, enough of them a clown. I know my real brothers, so nobody can
be angry.
I don't care, I'm still around, pagan, I'm still here. Don't stop me, down to there.
Be angry,
I don't care, I'm still around, I got this still in the air. Don't stop me, down to there.
Be angry,
come on, tell me we burn them. You see me a rise above, down the Rasta man, I make it and attack them. No, come make we done them. I'm not afraid of the slug, them want with you, but I not go but you. Say them are friends in a yellow place. alone have gone in at them races. Get rid of them and now there's no traces. Be hungry, I don't care. I'm still around the peg and I'm still here. Don't stop me, don't you dare. Oh, them I don't get fair. Be hungry, I don't care. I'm still around and the slang is still here. Be hungry, Rastafari lives at the danger. Anyway, I see my way through the dark clouds. I pray every day.
But the turbulence. We've been working and working for hundreds of years, hoping and praying just to get out of here. We've been taken from our home in Africa to the four corners of the world all over. Freedom now, freedom train is coming your way. Come on people, get on board. Oh yeah, now is the time to repatriate. Come on people and don't delay. No more wasting time, let's organize. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Come and join the line and centralize it. Let's work in one accord with choosing the way. Oh, yeah. To our home sweet home, the land of paradise. Freedom, freedom train is coming your way. Come on people, get on board. Yeah, now is the time to repatriate. Love is the time. Come on people and don't be late. You're so tired of this wicked system, and you want to be free. Mama Africa is calling, the land of the ancient sea. Oh, we princesses and princes